la la. Oh, yes, yes. Ah.
Tammy Fae, do you have to make such a ruckus? I'm trying to concentrate.
I need to practice my Gasosaurus. The choir director said,
I'm so good. I need to stay home and sing to get my vocal cords warmed up.
La la la. La.
Oh, you sound like a dying cat.
Don't take offense, Ouiji.
Meow.
What's that, my erectopus?
I said, What I was saying here, my dear, was you have a wonderful singing voice, my Bamba Raptor. Yes, you have a real gift.
Gift of a screwworm.
The Goodbye family is not like you and me. Sew it up! Yeah, sew it up! If you feel unwell, they start digging to hell to get you buried hurriedly. Yeah, sew it up!
How about you sing a little louder? Let me just put these in.
We're under attack.
I think it's the big one.
It's worse. Tammy Fae is deflating.
We're trapped.
Quick, to the crypt.
We can't. The door is blocked.
By all that flies and festers in not home, we rebuke you.
Sorry, I didn't know this was your hiding spot.
Hello, Aunt Celiette. Nearly forgot about you. Say hi to the family.
Cousin Umphalolis is in here. Too tight.
Simply lovely, my panty Draco.
Pyridine, can't you give her the old 1-2 zap?
The painting. It's a portal. We can hide in it.
But it's Cousin Kook's portrait.
It's hideous.
It's abysmal.
It's his nostrils.
Can't blame him for wanting to paint his good side.
We have no choice. Everyone crowd in.
Ow! Oh, that's smart, you see. Oh.